Then take a look at the WAVLINK AX5400 tri-band wireless adapter. So this is nice. I'm used to these things you having to screw on the antennas whenever you get it out. But this, everything is already pre-installed. So we got 4 antennas. They have a lot of flexibility. We got some ventilation going on the outside. It does have some rubber feet on the bottom. And it has a USB-C port to connect it. It does come with a quick start guide. And we got our cable that is USB-A to USB-C. Now this laptop does not have USB-C, so I'm going to use a USB-C to USB-A adapter. And we can see that that does light up as soon as we plug it in. And we can turn that off just by touching the top. So if we don't want to have that light on, we can just turn that off. So when we plug that in, it did give us a new drive, so that is emulating a CD drive. We'll just click on that, yes, and install. So this is to install the drivers for the Wi-Fi adapter, okay? So it did flash, so we know that we got the drivers installed. It is recognized, and we are connected. Alright, so I'm paying for $500. I got $587 with that and $454 on the upload. So if you want to upgrade the Wi-Fi on your laptop, you want to go all the way up to a Wi-Fi 6E, this is going to be an excellent option for that.